only the second time na tumayo ako ng privilege sa hinaba-haba ng panahon. 6 years na ako rito. This is the second time. Yung first time, agrarian reform. Yung second time, ito, kasi ayoko mapahamak ang aking kapatid.
Okay, Nip.
Ma'am, nung nag-privilege speech kayo, walang nag-react, walang nag-explain. What do you make of that?
No, what happened was I was told that I was not going to have any interpellation.
Sino
Pinagbawal yung interpellation. Sabi ko, sige, mag-privilege speech ka, pero wala nang tanong-tanong.
But you were hoping then kahit papano na may explanation from Senator Poe, Senate President Cheese.
Okay lang, dinedma ako, pero nasabi ko naman yung dapat.
Ma'am, do you think yung lumabas na although fake news naman daw na planong kudita sa leadership ni SP Cheese,
Ay naman,
It-
ayan
it-
na naman,
it
ako
has-
na naman ang sisisihin.
Ma'am, do you think it has